In front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Finally, click on the one that you wish to add and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to, you can also remove any of those added contacts by clicking on Remove button next to the chosen one. When you're ready, just make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is enabled, and then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!